green light. Time to go. Oh, shit. Ow. Come on, you pile. You're floored. Come on. Sometimes today we'll get up the hill. Don't be a bunny rabbit. 120,000 pounds. You're not a damn bunny rabbit. Stop! Lovely weather. I am backing up. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. How the fuck that? Lovely Saturday. Hey, we didn't tip it over today. How much? You're not a bunny rabbit. You are not a bunny rabbit. You're a truck. You're not supposed to do bunny rabbit things. Stop. Stop, please. -5. Morning. Morning. Lovely weather. And that's a cliff. Da-da-da-da, Junior. Thank you. I get a 4-minute break. Enough time to stretch a little, maybe. Little tasty. Peanuts. Lunch, and now we wait. Maybe one more tea. So, this is what it's like being a haul truck driver. Yeah. You get beat by a phone book all day. And you got 120,000 pounds trying to be a damn bunny rabbit. Either have to go fast or super slow. Try to go at a steady speed, it is way worse. And these Bell trucks are junk. Look at this shit. I want my armrest for a second. Wonderful. Oh, green light. Dominoes. Oh. Yeah. Got this. Oh. Maybe I should put a little bit more wind in my seat. Maybe that'll help. Wow. I'll say it has air conditioning. This one does have air conditioning. And a radio. Most of these radios are just chilling in the floor. So you do this 100 million times a day. And then you go home and you take some ibuprofen. And then you go to bed and then you get to wake up again and do it all again tomorrow. Woohoo! I'll just dump over here. Nope. Lock. I can't see. You know, and half the mirrors on these damn things are broke off. Usually they have a backup camera, but most of them are broke. And with these bells, whenever you add oil, because they need oil every day, you just fill it up all the way until you can see the oil. Until you can see the oil coming out of the fill cap, and then you might have enough for the whole day. They burn about half a tank of fuel and about 2.5 gallons of DEF every day. Yeah, the bells suck. We have one cat and it's nice. It's been deep. Bell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Buddy! Morning, afternoon. You wedge your boot in there to kind of hold yourself down. And usually you hold on to that guy. Oh! 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 I thought I ended up on the floor there. Thank God I had the boot. Oh! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh, shit. Ow. Oh, shit. Don't roll. Somewhat smooth for about 5 seconds. Yep. Shit. Stop.